Hello everyone, Jaime Mantilla here, and in this video I wanted to share this application that I found. I was scrolling through TikTok or Instagram or something. Somebody showed this app, which is for you to be able to create viral thumbnails in seconds. Okay, I'm gonna create one with you right now. I actually was doing a video about the sales role play application, which is an AI agent acting as a sales rep, which is going to handle objections for you. You actually are the prospect. The AI is the actual sales rep, and that would be for sales individuals that are looking to get better at handling objections or just closing people on the phone. Okay, this actually has many utilities. You can actually use these for answering phone calls. You can actually do this to train you as a sales rep, and there's many applications that you can use. But I wanted to create a thumbnail for these. I actually tried it already, so I'm gonna go here. I'm already in here. I already created this AI sales role play, and I wanted to create another one just to see what it came up with. And, it's along those lines to say role play, a SaaS role or sales, how to build a sales role play SaaS application in one day. So I say that because this one I started last night and I refine it today to get it to this stage. Like so far, like it gives you the instructions. You have 2 sales reps. You have a sales scenario, and here you can actually interact. I'll put the links on the video. That way you can actually go and see how it is interacting with me. Just AI agent trying to handle objections and answering questions that I have. It actually has try these objections. So if you want to try objections, all you have to do is tell it, hey, I want to train. I want to be able for you to help me with some objections. So you tell it the objection, and it tells you how to handle it and what questions to answer. And I'll get to this in a minute. My bad that I got derailed. And you can actually role play and tell it, hey, I want to role play. I am a business owner that is looking to get X, Y, and Z. And then, depending on the scenario that you get here, I selected the digital marketing service. So the AI agent was acting as the digital marketing agency, and he was giving me information related to the services that they provided, and he was handling my questions and my objections, based on our conversation. So it's pretty cool. And then it has here like a backstage that has all the behind the scenes of the conversation, and then you have the ability to download this conversation or this transcript for you to either study it or for you to be able to, do whatever you want with it. But now that, you have the context of what I'm trying to build here, is I want to see what this is. The last one, AI sales role play SaaS. This is what he created. Whenever it comes down to humans, like he creates humans with many fingers, which is no big deal. I could probably put something on here on top, or just put it like that just to see how it performs. But I wanted to see. Actually, I don't want to include people. Again, I haven't tried this before. This is my first time. This is the second time doing it. I want to make sure that it's realistic. Text thumbnail, let's say auto, or let's say no, and then we can go back to the thing. Additional instructions, no. Okay, fine. So let's see. I want to try to create 1 or 2 here with you on the line. I don't want to make this video too long, but again, this is NI3. They're not sponsoring me. I just found it. I don't even have an affiliate link for this. But again, just try it out. I just put in, I think, $24, gave me 118 credit. They have like a 50%. So, I'm just trying it out just to see, and I'm gonna test it in my video just to see how they perform. But yeah, it's crazy how AI is just giving you a bunch of options. I don't like that one. If you don't like that, they don't like that one. So I'm just gonna do auto. Let's do auto. Let's do auto. And let's just do generate. Let's see what it does. You gotta try new things. Unfortunately, I like the first one. I didn't really like this one though. Maybe the realistic SaaS is mess up the letters. Let's see these other ones. Look at these ones. These are the examples from other ones, and it actually gives you the prompt that they use playing Minecraft in VR. This is pretty cool. Thumbnails that it's creating. Oops, where's mine? Oh, you can create. Now I need to go back. Oh, it took me to the community. Built in 1 day. It's pretty cool. I don't know about this helmet. I don't know why we need a helmet on the on the image, but yeah, it's just crooked. The information is or the letters are not the best. You can probably lay components on top of it. But let's see. So let's see sales rep role play with AI. Let's see. There's one more. It's taking what, like 2 credits per screen? Let's see. But I don't know. What do you think? I'm just, again, documenting my journey, putting things here online based on the applications that I found, applications that I've built, things that I'm trying out, things that I'm learning. If this is value for you, excellent. Just, leave some comments below, follow, subscribe, do whatever you need to do. If it's adding value, and, leave comments if you want to see something else. But this one is pretty cool. I don't like the hands, it's AI with human hands. It's pretty difficult to get, but again, I don't know, put an emoji here or something to see how it performs. But AI roleplay, so straight to the point. It has good graphics. Let's see. I wonder how these are created. And again, I just have to play with it. But I wanted to share this with you because this is a great find. Creating thumbnails is not my forte, and is not as easy. I'm using Canva right now, but this application may help me in the future, or just I could do A/B testing with this, and that's what I'm planning on doing. So again, just wanted to share this with you. If you have any comments, any questions, please let me know. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Thank you.